how to add unsubscribe link in Gmail. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to open a new tab and search for Mail Meteor and go to their official website, and you just have to simply click on the product section from here and click on Gmail extension. And after clicking on Gmail extension, you will be asked to add to Chrome. You just have to simply add the Mail Meteor for Gmail to your extension list of your Chrome. And after installing it, as you can see, it's now adding to Chrome. And after it's successfully added to your Chrome, you just have to go to your mail or the Gmail mailbox, and then you have to see there will be options here like campaigns. You just have to simply click on campaigns and click on skip and click on maybe later and sign in with Google. You just have to simply click on here, and after that you just have to sign in with the same account of the Gmail you have opened. You just have to simply click on the Gmail account, and you have to give the all permission to this Mail Meteor once and click on continue. And after continuing it, it will authorize it. And as you can see, the campaign button is already here. You just have to simply click on new campaign, and after selecting new campaign, you can click on subject and add subject to your campaign and write a promotional thing like get 60% off on all purchase, and you can just enter it and click on the unsubscribe link from here. As you can see, if you just click on here, click here to unsubscribe. If you want to unsubscribe, click here to unsubscribe. So that's how you can create unsubscribe link to the Gmail. And you can also select recipients from here, and then you can just send mails to the clients or would be clients inboxes. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.